Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 7 and replace the motherboard. Remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws on the bottom of iPhone. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools for iPhone 7. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. For this I use a hair dryer because it will make it easier to remove the display. Set suction cup on display near home button and pull up. Use a plastic tool for separate phone case and display. By easy and carefully moves, separate the display from iPhone case. Pull the display slightly away from the top edge of iPhone to disengage the clips holding it to the rear case. Open iPhone by swinging the display up from the left side like a book. Remove the following 4 screws securing the lower display cable bracket to the logic board by tri-point screwdriver. Remove 2 screws securing the bracket by PH0 screwdriver. Use plastic spudger to disconnect connectors, but the first disconnect the battery connector. Now you can remove the display module. Disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna and disconnect from the logic board. Unscrew 2 screws that fix the camera. Disconnect the camera cable from the logic board and remove the main camera. Next, unscrew all screws in this order as shown in this video. Use plastic tool to disconnect 3 connector out of the socket on the logic board. Now you can remove logic board of iPhone 7.